So we're going to start the Irish coffee with adding the brown sugar. In Finland we call it farini sokeri. So we keep putting that one. Usually a spoonful is a good amount depending on the size of the glass. Then we add on top a small amount of coffee, so we can mix up the sugar and get it quite nicely melted into the coffee. If we add the alcohol straight away, it might actually crystallize the whole sugar, so we don't actually manage to melt it down properly. Then we use 4 centiliters of Irish whiskey. One of the most common brands is Jameson, which we're going to use this time as well. I'm going to add 4 centiliters of that one, and then we add the rest of the coffee for the amount that we actually want. The important thing to always do at this point is to mix it up so we get the alcohol evenly in the drink, so it doesn't taste only the coffee first and then the alcohol. And to crown it all, we're going to add a nice float of cream on top of it. To do this, we actually keep the spoon just on top of the coffee, and from the spoon we actually drop all the cream on top of it, and we get a nice even float.